Rock stars, I've shared plenty of survey sites already, so today we're taking a break. Instead, let me introduce you to 11 secret websites. I call them secret because not many people know about them and they're not your typical survey sites. These platforms offer fantastic ways to earn up to $80 per hour online, all from the comfort of your own home. First up, let's talk about ProductTube. It's a premium app that rewards users for creating short videos about everyday products. Whether you're showcasing products at home, in stores, or exploring new concepts using augmented reality, ProductTube can pay you anywhere from $50 to $80 per hour for approved video reviews. Plus, the platform provides a sense of creative fulfillment as you share your opinions and experiences with various products. Next, we have Homestyler.com. This platform allows users to create free 3D designs of products and homes. Not only can you design your dream home, but you can also use these designs to sell your services on platforms like Fiverr, where 3D design services are in high demand. It's a great opportunity to turn your passion for design into a lucrative side hustle. Moving on to Veed, a platform for creating videos using AI. With Veed, you can create engaging videos with various accents without any additional cost. Its user-friendly interface and advanced AI make it easy to produce professional quality videos in minutes. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or educator, Veed offers endless possibilities for creating captivating video content. Then there's BestMark, a secret shopping website where you can earn money and receive free food and services by performing tasks and providing feedback on your experiences. It's like getting paid to shop and dine out. Who wouldn't love that? BestMark provides a unique opportunity to enjoy your favorite activities while earning extra cash and enjoying complimentary perks. Another exciting opportunity is Rapify, an app that pays you to wrap your car with advertisements and drive around. You can earn between $200 to $400 per month simply by driving your car as you normally would. It's a passive income stream that requires minimal effort and can significantly boost your monthly earnings. Plus, you'll be turning heads as you cruise around town with your professionally wrapped car. Current Rewards is a website and app that lets you earn money by listening to music, playing video games, or watching YouTube videos. While the earnings may not be significant, it's a great way to earn a few extra dollars in your spare time. Plus, who wouldn't want to get paid for doing things they already enjoy? Current Rewards offers a fun and easy way to earn money while indulging in your favorite pastimes. Second to none is a mystery shopping website where you can earn extra income by shopping or dining out. Simply evaluate your experience and provide feedback to earn money. It's a fun way to make a few extra bucks while enjoying a meal or shopping spree. Second to None provides a unique opportunity to influence the quality of products and services while earning money for your efforts. Medium.com is a platform where you can publish articles and blogs to earn money based on views and reader engagement. With 142 million visits every month, there's plenty of potential readers to discover your content. Medium offers a supportive community of writers and readers, making it an ideal platform to showcase your writing skills and connect with like-minded individuals. Enroll is a platform where you can become a tester for websites, mobile apps, and digital products. You'll be tasked with completing various tasks and providing feedback to earn money. It's a great opportunity to try out new products and services while getting paid for your opinions. Enroll provides valuable insights to companies and developers while rewarding testers for their time and effort. Finally, there's Palfish, a platform for teaching English online to students in countries where English is not their first language. You can earn around $20 per hour plus bonuses, and Palfish will handle finding students for you. It's a rewarding opportunity to make a difference while earning money from the comfort of your own home. Palfish offers flexible hours and a supportive community of educators, making it an ideal platform for anyone looking to teach English online. These are 11 incredible opportunities to make money online, and none of them involve surveys. So, whether you choose one, a few, or all of these options, I wish you the best of luck on your journey to earning up to $50 per hour online. Until next time, rock on. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.